Hello everyone, my name is Aarushi. I hope you're all doing well. So today I'm going to create this classic smoky eye. All the products that I've been using to create this makeup look have been bought from the beauty store by Big Basket. So let's begin. I'm first going in with a nude brown shade. I'm just going to blend this well on the crease line. Then I'm using a dark brown shade, and with the same blender brush, I'm basically going in round motions on my crease just to give the smoky effect around my lids. Then I'm taking a dark red burgundy shade and I'm just going to go in the same back and forth motion on my crease line, just intensifying the ends a little bit with this shade. Then using the black eye crayon stick, I'm going to put this on top of my lids very generously. This is the base for my black eyeshadow. And then using a black eyeshadow, I'm going to apply this straight on top of my crayon stick with some pressing motions, and then I'm just going to slightly blend it using a blending brush. I'm then going in with the Kajal and lining my waterline. In order to blend it, I'm taking a dark brown shadow and just blending the lower lash line very nicely. Now for the face, I'm going to use a face primer so that my makeup stays longer and the foundation application is much more easier. I was trying to get my hands on this from such a long time and it was out of stock everywhere, but I finally got it from the beauty store by Big Basket. The beauty section at Big Basket has a variety of makeup brands and you can actually get your hands on all your makeup needs. For the foundation, I'm using a medium coverage foundation for my entire face. I'm going to dot it all over my face and then I'm just going to gently blend it. For the darkness and the pigmentation, I'm using a concealer and I'm going to apply this on my under eye area, on the bridge of my nose, and basically areas where my face will be highlighted the most. With a smoky eye, it's always very important to conceal the dark circles really well. I'm setting all of it using a loose powder and I'm just going to very roughly apply this all over my face, just tapping it very randomly. Once that's done, I'm going to contour my face using a contour powder, and this is for my cheekbones, also my jawline, and a little bit on my forehead. Then I'm using a pink blush on my cheeks for that rosy, natural flush of color. And I'm also going to shape my brows using a grey eyebrow stick. I'm finishing the eye look by wearing a black mascara. For the lips, I'm wearing this pinkish mauvish shade. I love this lipstick and I feel that this goes perfect with all the smoky eyes. So that's my finished look. All the links of the products that I've used in this video will be in the description box. These products are available on the beauty store by Big Basket. I hope you really like this video, this classic smoky eye makeup look. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell button. I will see you very soon. Bye.